Hey guys, Matt at PartsForScooters. It's been a long time since we posted a video up on YouTube, so I thought I'd give you guys a short little view of how we take our pictures here in our studio. So this is our little photo studio, just with our little white box that we put all the parts in and the various lighting that we use, the camera. When we have the shiny new parts that we have to get on the website, this is what we do. So we take our fancy pantsy part like so, and we move it over here, adjust our lighting or whatever, get our camera in there, take a shot. There we go. Get it so it flashes off. Easier said than done, right? And there it is, so we can then aim it in and get the shot we need for the website. Then after which we put it into, Post and Photoshop and any of the other apps that you would use for that kind of a thing, and make it so it looks good. Got some new electrical parts we're working on. Just, a little clean space that we have that we use just for the photography of new parts. And that is how all the images get on the website. Everything on our site has come from here for the most part. Some manufacturers like V-Rubber give us, stock photography that we'll use, but the vast majority of stuff on our website, we photograph in-house, we edit in-house, and if you ever need a change or have a question, we have the parts on hand, and that's what we do. So I hope you enjoyed this very short video, and we'll see if we can't work on some more updates for some videos for the people who want to see how we operate. Anyway, have a great day.